In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can use Google on your Amazon Fire TV or Fire TV Stick. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, from the home screen, go ahead and scroll all the way over to the right until you see this little settings gear right here. Just scroll down, and what you're looking for on here is going to be this little application section right here. Open it up, and once you open up your applications, go ahead and select Silk Browser. From here, it's going to open up Amazon Silk. It may load for a second, but go into this little advanced settings option right here and look for the option for search engine and open it up and just change it from Bing to something like Google. From here, you can back out and go back to the home screen and scroll all the way over to this little app section right here. Select it to open up all of your apps. And once you open up all of your apps, what you're looking for specifically on here is going to be the little internet option. Just open that up and it's going to load Google automatically. Now, if it doesn't load Google automatically, what you're going to need to do is back out and just confirm that you did change those settings. If you've confirmed that, you are going to have to power cycle your Fire Stick, so unplug it for about 30 to 60 seconds, and then plug it back in, and once it restarts, you should be able to immediately get onto Google, where you can enter any website URL that you want, search directly on there, access menu settings, use private browsing, whatever it might be. That is it. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.